Hi, I'm Tracy Ann Burgess and welcome to the Change Studio. Has your life been turned upside down by a big life change and you're unsure about how to get it back into alignment again? Well, I'm here to help you with that. I'm the founder of Passport Change Company, and I've designed this channel to help women who are dealing with the impact of a really big life change, and also for women that are wanting to change but don't really know how or where to start. Every week I'll be posting new videos that will teach you step by step powerful, practical tools that will help you become stronger, wiser and more connected to who you are and what you want. I've designed a change kit that acts as a kind of a change map that we can follow. So tune into my weekly videos and we'll go through the steps together.